Una do my people from anywhere in the world where they take watch my video, I greet you now. My name na Omobolanle Adedeji. I be your pidgin teacher for this data analytics matter. For this video, make we sharply learn how to use count and count if. If you never follow my channel, now the correct time be this, make you follow my channel. Click on the notification button so that it go there among the first set of people wey go dey see the better video wey I go dey sama una for this data analytics matter. To do count, na im be say you wan count the number of the cell wey something dey inside, and then if you wan do the countif, na im be say e get condition wey you want make the excel make e consider before im go count the cell wey you wan make e count. And then countifs na im be say you get plenty condition wey you want make excel consider before im go count am. Make we sharparly go inside right now. Now to do count, you go put your equal sign. If you no understand wetin equal sign dey do, na im be say you dey new for inside this excel and data analytics matter, sharparly go inside my channel, go watch all the previous video wey I don sama una dey explain give newcomer wey dey for inside wey dey use excel or wey dey learn data analytics. As I don put equal sign, I go come write count, press tab. As I don press tab now, I come tell am wetin I wan make e count. If I put am for this one now, I don highlight the range, press enter, e don count am give you say na 9 cell na im this one dey. Now make I show you another thing, equals. If I highlight this one now, just like I did the other one, press enter, e don carry am, e don carry 0 give you. Na im be say e no see anything. All these things dem be text, so e no see anything wey e wan count. Na so we dey take use count for inside excel. Make I sharparly go inside countif. If you never subscribe, na the correct time be this, make you subscribe. No forget to share this video give people wey go need am, especially the people wey be say na pidgin english dem prefer to dey use learn. Now for countif, you go put equal sign again, come type count. As you don dey type am, e don dey give you many options for count. As I don click countif, I'll come press tab. As I press tab now, I'll come tell am wetin I want make im count. I'll come select this one now. As I don select am, you go put comma. So as I put comma now, the first one wey I do na im be say I don tell am say na here I wan count something. Now e come tell me say wetin be the condition wey make im consider, na im be this criteria wey dey show am. Wetin be the condition wey make im check before im go count the thing wey I wan make I count. I go come put this inverted column. This sign e dey very important for inside this excel formula. I come tell am say equal male. Na im be say I don tell excel say count only the one wey be say im be male. As I press enter now, e don see am say na 6. If you count am yourself, you go see say na 6 male dey there. 1 2 3 4 5 6. You don see am say na 6 male e dey here now. E don count am. Now to use countif, na im be say I get two or more condition wey I wan make excel consider before im go count the thing wey I wan make e count. So I come go to the next one wey be say we dey call countifs. I come put equal sign, type my count. E don show us other excel countif option. Come click on this countifs, press tab. Now I'll come here. I don tell am say make im see this one, make e consider this one now. I come press comma, put my inverted comma, come tell am say equals salesman, then comma again. I go come select this one. Na im be say na salary I wan make e check this time around. So you go come here. I go put my comma, come put inverted and then come tell am say I go come tell am the criteria wey I wan make im check for inside this one. I go come use this one now wey be say na 45,000 naira now. Come put equal. Now so I don tell excel say count only the one wey be say the man na salesman and then im salary equals 45,000 naira. I'll come close the bracket. Now e don count am, e don see say na only one person dey here wey be say im salary na im be 45,000 naira. Na so we dey do for inside dis excel, dey do countif. I go see you for inside my next video. No forget to subscribe and den share give person wey need am. If you benefit from dis thing, please click on the like button. See you for my next video. Bye.